Hello friends. With most of us quarantined at home and uncertain of the future, it is quite natural to feel blue and even panic a bit as we are locked down at our homes and let's refresh our body and mind by doing few exercises and yoga. At first let me tell you something about yoga. Yoga is an ancient practice that brings together both mind and body. It incorporates breathing exercise, meditation, poses for relaxation, weight loss, and even reduces stress and anxiety. According to Bhagavad Gita, yoga is a journey of the self, through the self, and to the self. Me and my daughter Oishani, we both are practicing yoga from a couple of years. And we have got many positive results by doing yoga every day. So we also want to share with you. Yoga also boosts positive energy and immune system to our body so that we can fight against coronavirus and various other diseases. So without wasting much more time, let's start with today's exercise, that is free body exercise. Free body exercise means exercise from head to toes. Exercise from head to toes. So first I will start with head. See, put your both the hands and fingers in this way. I am putting it on the head and stand straight. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Increase the volume. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 3 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Make sure your body is in straight position. Now stretch your legs like this. Your hands in this same position. Put it up and bend left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now put it back on the side of your head and look at your opposite ankle. You have to see from the opposite ankle from back side. See how I am doing. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Very good. Next. Very good. Next this. Now your neck. Left, right, front, back. Left, right, front, back. Left, right, front, back. Now revolve clockwise, anti-clockwise 3 times. Okay? Next, your hand. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In front, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Now move your hand, revolve clockwise 5 times, anti-clockwise 5 times, so that your elbow touch here 5 times. Now, next, put your left hand on your chest and take a deep breath. Make sure your body is in a front position, straight. Right hand on your chest, 6 times. 3, 4, 5, 6. Now move your right hand clockwise 6 times, anti-clockwise 6 times. Similarly, left hand 6 times clockwise, anti-clockwise 6. Now both the hands 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite 3, 4, 5, 6. Now your hip. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Opposite 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Now your knees. 1, 2, 3. Opposite 1, 2, 3. Now feet. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Now my daughter will show you the jogging. This is all about body exercise. Go. Jogging is a very effective exercise, especially for those who are best suited to the people who are not engaged in regular fitness. Now jogging is slower than running but faster than walking. This is the jogging what my daughter is showing is for the children up to 15 years. Do like this. Your hands will be fixed and you have to hit the thigh on the hands up to 100 times. Now show the jogging for elders. Your hands fixed and hit the hands with the thigh 100 times. Jogging is very effective and it also builds endurance and stamina in the body. There are various good effects and benefits of jogging. The main one is weight loss. Other than weight loss, it improves bone strength, develops muscles, keep mind healthy, good for heart, boosts respiratory system, prevents infections and communicable diseases. It curbs mental stress also. So everyone who are not engaged in regular exercise should follow this yoga every day. This jogging every day. Now me and my daughter will do PT. PT we have all done in our school life, and now it is also very effective. We should do it every day for positive energy. Start. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3. Change. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And after doing the PT, at the same time you have to do this sit up. 1, Udbosh. 2, up and down. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. So this is all about today's exercise and yoga. Today my daughter will end this video with a small tip.
Today's tip: we must do yoga in empty stomach. If you like my video, please hit the like button, subscribe the video, and please share